Okay, YouTube. So I made it to Family Dollar and I see these little teddy bears. They were $5. They're cute for Easter. I thought it was Valentine's Day. Yeah, well, Easter will be coming up soon, but look at the little peeps down there. They all were between $5 and $3. See, that one was 5. The one on top was also 5. And then there was another one for like $3 up top. Yep, the $3 ones are up top. They were so cute. You gotta get ready for Easter now. After a while, I think that's Peeps. Is that the Peeps? Yeah, they are. I don't know. I think it's chocolate. I'm not sure what that was, but yeah. And there's some more teddy bears, all different prices. That one had a little hoodie on. You could take the hoodie off of that one. There's another one. Look like a little pound puppy. Anybody remember pound puppies? There's the little elephant, little unicorn. Yeah, those are all cute. They have teddy bears everywhere. I can't. Anybody else has allergy. That's why you can't do the whole teddy bear stuff, because dust and all that. That little thing was cute. It was sitting. I'm gonna show a bigger one, but there's my cart. There we go. Oh, magical. It's really cute. I'm gonna get one for Zori. But yeah, chocolate, chocolate bunnies. But I'm gonna let you guys look over in the store, and y'all have a great day.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me